Welcome to the part 2 of the increment and the decrement operators. So in this lecture, I'll be talking about what is the difference between post increment and the pre-increment. In the previous lecture, we have seen the output, we got it as the same, like plus C. For the plus A also, when A is assigned to 10, you will get it as an 11, and when A is assigned to 10 for the post increment also, you will get it 11. So now what is the difference between the post increment and the pre increment when it is initialized to another variable? Means, see, in this code you have taken a main function and then you will assign a 10 value to one variable, call it as an x, and then you have taken one variable y. Here y is equal to x plus plus. They have incremented the x value by 1 and they have initialized to y. Means, what is this? This is a main part of the code where you will be printing the x and the y value. Here in this code, that is a post increment. Post increment means the value of x is used. Means post increment means increment after the value of x is used. See here, increment after the value of x is used. After the value of x is used means that first what happens, x is copied to y. It means, like, see what happens. First what happens, the x is copied to y. X value is copied to y, and then what happens, I am just commenting out this line. First x is copied to y, and then it is x value is updated by 1. Means x is equal to x plus 1. That is x plus plus, it is done. I hope it is clear. So this is just, I'm just commenting, I'm just putting a multi-line comment. So post increment means increment after the value of x is used. It is clear. I'm just repeating once more. First you have to copy the x value to y, and then you have to update it by 1. So what happens now? What will be the x value? You are updating the x value. What happens? 10 plus 1, 11. 11 will be printed here. Okay. Sorry. Here 11 will be printed. See, in the y value, what is the y value now? X is copied to y. What is x value? 10. 10 will be printed. So I hope the post increment is clear. What happens in the pre-increment means? Pre-increment means increment before the value of x is used. Increment before the value of x is used. It means that, so first the x value is updated. Means the first sorry, here minus I have written, it is plus plus. So what happens here means you have to increment before the value of x is used. Means first what happens here, same way you have taken one main function, inside that you have declared a variable with the x value as a 10, and then one more variable you have taken as a y. Here you have initialized the plus x to a y. So here what happens means, so in the pre-increment what happens means, you have to update the value of x by 1 first, and then whatever the updated value, it is copied to y. So now what happens means, here first what I told, first increment before the value is used. Now what happens, x is equal to x plus 1 is done. I'm just commenting out. See, this part I'm just commenting out, and then after increment you have to use the value. Whatever the value is there, it is copied to x. X is copied to y. So after incrementing, what you will get, x value 11 you will get. After what is copied here, 11. So the output is 11, 11. I'll just revise it. So post increment means increment after the value is used. First you have to copy the value, x value, original x value, what is it? You have to copy and you have to print it. Post increment. After that you have to increment. In the pre-increment, first you increment it and then you have to copy whatever the incremented value to a y. Is this clear? If you want, you can run in any of the compiler and check it out. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'll be telling about what is the difference between the post decrement and the pre-decrement.